We're Contractor Automated. For 20 plus years, we've helped trades and home service companies dominate their markets with data-driven growth. We don't chase leads. We engineer referral systems that pay for themselves fast and compound for years. If you're ready for predictable, scalable growth built on real partnerships, let's get to work. Nor referral leads and creating reoccurring revenue within home service businesses. We find your best potential referral partners, complementary trades, property management groups, realtors, insurance agents, public adjusters, anyone that might use you regularly or refer you regularly. 400 outbound phone calls per month. We introduce you personally. We introduce your business, what you do, what you offer. Our goal, schedule you on a 10-minute phone call introduction with them. By the time you get on the phone, they should already know about you. But more importantly, they should know the purpose of the phone call, which is for them to actually use your services or refer you to their clients. These are very high-level phone calls for your time. Tell them more about yourself, how you can help them or their clients. Next step, go meet them in person. Shake their hand, get them a stack of business cards. Buy them a dozen donuts for their office. Set up the opportunity where you can look them in the eye and begin building some real trust, blossoming that relationship to bring you regular referrals for many, many years to come. Visit contractorautomated.com to grow your home service business the smart way.